Hello everybody. So here we are. Let me check your answers. But I want you to pay attention to my grammar because I am going to show you some new grammatical structure that is easy to learn, but it makes your language so sophisticated, okay? So these are the answers to the questions, not questions. This is the complete table, okay? So let's take a look at how we talk when we are to talk. For example, what is my subject when I talk about this? What is my subject? My subject is either who or what. In this case, it's who. I have a person. So I say Robert Fulton. What is my verb? Built. And what is my complement? The steamboat. When? In 1807. Or I can say, let me make this bigger, okay? Or I can say, in 1807, Robert Fulton built the steamboat. All right? So let's identify our subject here. Subject, right? Verb. I'm going to make a darker color, green, the steamboat in 1807. So that's going to be my complement. All right? And here the same thing. In would be a phrase before the subject, or a time phrase. Then again, Robert Fulton is my subject, built is my verb, the steamboat is my complement. Very good. So how about the next one? How would you say the next one? Exactly the same thing. So my subject would be Peter Cooper. My verb would be built. And the steam train would be my complement in 1830. Or again, I can move in 1830 for the beginning of, I can front it, and then I can say the rest of the sentence. Period. Don't forget your periods at the end. Don't forget it begins with a capital letter. Okay? Again, what's my subject? My subject is Peter Cooper. What is my verb? My verb is built, right? And what is my complement? My complement is right here. All right. Very good. So, what happens when I don't have a subject? You know that every sentence in English needs a subject. So what happens when I don't know who or who is not important? Aha! I have something for you. So what you do is you have to start with the complement. The Transcontinental Railroad. Right? This becomes my subject. Then I have to put was or were. Is this one or is this plural? This is one. So I'm going to only say was. And then I use the verb completed in 1869. Aha! Then I have a subject. Right? Then I have a verb. And I have a complement. Sorry. The verb's going to be the whole thing here. Was completed. It's going to be the verb. Then I have in 1869 as the complement. All right? So then I have the Transcontinental Railroad was completed in 1869 because I don't know who completed it. Isn't that interesting? So I add the verb be right here. Or I can say in 1869, the Transcontinental Railroad was completed. Now I would like you to write your answers to these here on your Padlet. But I also would like you to add one more sentence, something that you actually know, either in your country or in some other country, something that was built, that was invented. For example, I can say that in Brazil, the airplane was invented by a French Brazilian called Santos Dumont. So did you know that? In Brazil, we don't consider the Wright brothers as the inventors of the airplane. We consider Santos Dumont as the inventor of the airplane. So here I'm saying in Brazil, this is a place expression. The airplane is going to be my subject. Was invented, because I'm not saying who, I'm saying what first, right? Was invented, and let me make sure that I have white right here, by a French Brazilian called Santos Dumont. So I would like you to give me one sentence about something that we don't talk about in here. All right? Something for us to learn about transportation that you have learned. You can go online, you can ask somebody. If you go online, if you ask somebody, you have to say according to. So I'm going to say according to Brazilian history books, so I'm going to remove this because I'm saying the source. The airplane was invented by French Brazilian called Santos Dumont. So tell me where you got the information from and tell me who invented or who built something. You can use this kind of structure or you can use this kind of structure. All right? All right. I'm looking forward to your answers.